How to fix Snapchat messages not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat messages not showing on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, or you can just type here apps and you will find it. And now just scroll down and here you will find Snapchat. Click on it and first click force stop and then go to storage, click clear cache and then go to permissions. Allow all of those permissions here and that's it. If you want to allow any permission, just click on it and click allow and then microphone and allow, and that's it. And then just go back, restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.